Welcome to our comprehensive blockchain training program, where we have designed a learning curriculum that will help you gain a deep understanding of blockchain technology and its applications. Our training program is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of blockchain technology and its applications in various industries. The curriculum consists of three main constituents. First, we will cover the technical aspects of blockchain, including the underlying principles and architecture of blockchain technology. Second, we will delve into the industry applications of blockchain, exploring how this technology is being used in various sectors, such as finance, supply chain, and healthcare. Lastly, we will explore the world of cryptocurrencies, including the history of Bitcoin, the workings of various cryptocurrencies, and the role of blockchain technology in the creation and use of digital currencies. By the end of this training program, you will have a deep understanding of blockchain technology, its applications, and the potential of cryptocurrencies. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of blockchain. Our program has multiple learning objectives, starting with the basics of blockchain technology and its business applications with distributed ledgers and smart contracts. We will dive into the concept of decentralization and distributed systems in the blockchain and gain knowledge of multiple technical components of blockchain, such as block fields, block header fields, and hash functions. You will also gain in-depth knowledge of multiple consensus mechanisms used in the blockchain, including proof of work, proof of stake, delegated proof of stake, proof of capacity, proof of authority, proof of activity, proof of elapsed time, and practical Byzantine fault tolerance. We will explore the advantages of blockchain, such as immutability and trust, as well as the challenges of scalability and reaching common consensus. Additionally, we will cover the different types of blockchain, including public, private, consortium, and hybrid. We will also discuss vulnerabilities in blockchain, such as 51% attack, distributed denial of service, DDoS, routing attacks, user wallet attack, Sybil attack, mining pool attack, and more. Finally, we will gain knowledge about emerging trends around blockchain technology, such as cryptocurrency, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, Web 3.0, Metaverse, and more. Our comprehensive training program is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the rapidly evolving world of blockchain technology. As part of our cryptocurrency training program, we aim to equip you with a comprehensive understanding of the concept of cryptocurrencies, including their advantages, disadvantages, and common misconceptions. Additionally, we will provide you with an understanding of the underlying blockchain technology that powers cryptocurrencies. Our training will cover the economics governing cryptocurrencies, including topics such as block rewards, atomic swaps, and transaction fees, among others. You will gain an understanding of what determines the value of a cryptocurrency, and will become familiar with key cryptocurrencies. We will also delve into investing in cryptocurrencies, including the risks and benefits involved. You will study the impact of cryptocurrencies on different sectors of the economy and learn about the legal aspects of cryptocurrency. By the end of our training program, you will have gained a comprehensive understanding of the world of cryptocurrencies and will be well equipped to make informed decisions in this exciting and rapidly evolving space. In this part, we have listed the major sessions included in our blockchain technical aspects curriculum. We will start by discussing the strategic business value of blockchain technology and its evolution over time. Then, we will dive into some interesting blockchain statistics and explore the key components of blockchain. We will learn about the consensus mechanism in blockchain and the benefits that this technology offers to different industries. Moving forward, we will explore different types of blockchain, decentralized and distributed systems in blockchain, and the challenges that blockchain technology faces. We will also discuss the types of attacks on blockchain and how to prevent them. Finally, we will wrap up with emerging trends around blockchain that will shape its future. At this part of our training program, we covers the various industry applications of blockchain technology. We will be focusing on how blockchain technology can be applied to different industries and the benefits that come along with it. First on our list is the finance industry. We will be exploring how blockchain can be used in venture capital fundraising, asset management, trade finance, and more. Then, we'll dive into the healthcare industry, where blockchain can be used to improve patient data management, supply chain, and clinical trial records. Next, we will discuss how blockchain can be used to track products in the supply chain industry, ensuring transparency and traceability. We'll also explore non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and how they are revolutionizing the art industry. We'll discuss how blockchain can be applied to the energy sector to optimize energy trading, distribution, and storage. Furthermore, we'll look at how blockchain can improve the efficiency and transparency in the real estate industry. In addition, we will discuss the emerging concept of Web 3.0 and how it is changing the Internet as we know it. We'll also explore the role of blockchain in the social media industry, improving data privacy and security. We will also delve into decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, and how it is changing the way organizations function. Finally, we will discuss how blockchain technology can be applied to the education industry, creating a transparent and immutable system of records. Finally, we will look into the future and explore the potential of blockchain in data storage systems. By the end of this training program, you will have a clear understanding of how blockchain technology can be applied to various industries, and the benefits it brings to each sector. The third part of our comprehensive blockchain training is all about cryptocurrency. In this section, we will be exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency. We will start with an introduction to cryptocurrency, where you will learn about the basic concepts and terminologies. Then, we will delve into the architecture of cryptocurrency and understand how it works. You will learn about the economics of cryptocurrency and how it differs from traditional currencies. Next, we will cover the key cryptocurrencies you need to know about, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. We will discuss the factors that drive the value of these cryptocurrencies and how to invest in them. We will also analyze the impact of cryptocurrency on various industries and explore the legal aspects of cryptocurrency. By the end of this training, you will have a deep understanding of the world of cryptocurrency and the opportunities it presents. So, get ready to expand your knowledge and take the first step towards becoming a cryptocurrency expert. What are you waiting for? Step into the blockchain with our training program and be at the forefront of the next era of computing and advance your career. For further details about our training programs, feel free to contact us using our official contact number and email address.